Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Guitar Guitar, Daniel Seavey. Alright, first time here on Guitar Guitar, pretty sure of that. This song is called The Older You Get. So he sings about things that happens with age. So yeah, nice song and a little bit uplifting. So we're gonna look at this one with the capo set here on the 3rd fret. So with that, we have a couple of chords. 4, 5, perhaps something like that. So anyway, let's do the chords together. We have E minor first, and that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have F next. So that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 1st fret like this. You cross all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have A minor next. So A minor is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. G next. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And we also got the last chord here, the C. Yeah. Let's not forget about the C. We have 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So 5 chords. And yeah, we have a way of playing here where you're gonna play 3 downs on one chord, and the next chord will be about 5 downs. And that gives us a certain rhythm. So we're gonna look at the first part here, which is the verse. You're gonna play E minor, 3 downs, then F, 5 downs, then A minor, 3 downs, and G, 5 downs. Okay, so it goes just with downs, E minor 3, F5, A minor 3, G5, like this. That was a bit slowed down just for you to understand what we're doing here. So with tempo, it goes like this. Okay, so you're really gonna work with your downs here, but work it up, so start slowly and then gradually go up in tempo. So E minor 3, F5, A minor 3, G5, that is the verse play. Then the chorus, it goes A minor 3, F5, then C3 and G5. That's the first half of it, so A minor, F, C, G. The second half will be E minor 3, F5, A minor 3, G5. So in the same way as you play the verse. So the first half of the chorus was A minor, F, C, G, and the second half is the same way of playing the verse, E minor, F, A minor, G. Let's go. New round. So there you have the chorus play, and then later at the bridge part, 2 minutes and 2 seconds into the song where that starts, you're just gonna continue with the chorus play for 2 rounds, and it's just the chorus play till the very end of this song here. So pretty easy to handle. Daniel Seavey's The Older You Get. So give it a try. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Until next time, play tuned.